everyone and welcome to today's Vlogmas. I have to admit I feel rubbish. I don't know what it is. I took my temperature, I don't have a temperature. I smelled perfumes, I still have a sense of smell. That's Simba going crazy. But so it's not corona, don't worry, I'm alright. But I just feel like all the stress and the busyness and everything just caught up with me, because to be honest I was feeling quite fresh, good and ready to go all the time, even though I was so busy and so stressed. So I think it just caught up with me, and I just feel I don't have any kind of aching or anything, but I just feel like meh, just feel you know, one of these days when you just, there's nothing that hurts you or anything, but you're just feeling bad overall. Simba! So today, for the first time since December, since 1st of December, I thought I'm not gonna film anything today, I'm not gonna post anything today, I don't feel like it, and that's alright. But now I've had a tea, I've stayed in bed for like an hour and I feel better, so I decided that I'm gonna have to film something, and then tomorrow morning before work I can just sleep in a little bit more, because I'm starting work at 12, so I can just sleep in until like 9, which would be awesome. Even 10 I think, no, yeah, even 10, but I'll do it 9, so it's not that much. But now I don't have anything prepared. As you probably realize, I didn't do anything today but work, full day at work. But I will just cook something. So let me just see what I have in the fridge. So I'm gonna cook something that I haven't cooked in a long time. And if you can hear something, that's Simba, who's currently in the bathroom. And the bathroom is right next to the kitchen. So I'll let him finish his thing. So I will actually have some sweet potatoes with broccoli baked in the oven, and that's quite nice, simple, easy on the stomach, so I'll just prepare it right now. It's currently 9:15 already, so it's quite late to prepare dinner, but here we are. Why did I take this knife? I have no idea. The thing that I'm super grateful for is that my boyfriend is furloughed at the moment, and so whenever I get home I don't really have to do much, because he's usually cooking dinner, the house is all clean and like everything's done most of the times. But today he just didn't feel like cooking, so he just cleaned everything. And of course I'm not gonna get mad or anything, because I have days when I'm staying home and I don't do anything and I don't feel like cooking or anything, so that's perfectly fine. But now that I'm feeling better, I'm actually going to cook something. So I'm just going to prepare the potatoes, and I'm gonna chat with you a bit, because that's gonna be the vlog for today. We're not gonna do anything extra fancy. Let me just bring you close. Yeah, that's better. So yeah, this is actually his robe, and I took it because it's like bigger and cozier than mine. Mine is quite thin. I mean, it's not thin, it's not like silky, it's still cotton and plush, but it's thinner than his, so I always steal his when he's not using it. But anyways, what are your plans for Christmas, guys? Because I haven't heard from you yet, and to be honest, my views have dropped, but that's normal. I am a really small YouTuber. I don't have time to advertise everything as much as I wish and as much as I could, so it's perfectly fine. And like all the big YouTubers, they have views dropped after the first half of December, because that's where the buzz goes around and like never comes back. Because basically 1st of December everyone's getting really high views, everyone's super excited for Vlogmas, they haven't seen a Vlogmas in 12 months, so it's like such a cool thing. But then you kind of have that overwhelmed feeling when it's like at least for me, there's like 5 people that I would really like to see the Vlogmases of, and it's physically impossible. Like I don't have that amount of time daily to watch someone. So then you start picking less and less favorites, and you end up only watching one person daily, or maybe not even that one, because we all have lives, and it's super busy to be able to make time to watch something consistently every day. And like I'm trying to keep my Vlogmases really short, but there are people out there that have Vlogmases that are over 30 minutes. So if I have 5 of these, it's already 2 hours and a half gone, and I just don't have that time. And I'm sure there are tons of people like me out there, so that's perfectly understandable. And again, for a small YouTuber, I wasn't expecting high views anyways. I'm sort of doing this to prove myself that I can, because before starting Vlogmas, I wasn't that consistent with my regular videos, and that was only once a week. So it was sort of a lesson for me to prove that, well, I could do 1 video a day. So 2 videos a week should be a piece of cake, and that's exactly what I want to do in a new year. I want to really have a strategy, YouTube strategy, and really post at least twice a week. And that would be vlogs. Maybe I will do like a weekly vlog, because as you can see, my daily life is not that exciting. So I could do a weekly vlog. I could do a weekly vlog when I just show like the highlights of my week, and that could be one of the videos. And then I would also like to do sit-down videos as well, and like teach you something, or like teach something together, or just do something funny, something entertaining that we could all just have fun with. And I really want to see what direction the YouTube channel is going to go, because I've committed, because I bought this camera, which was not at all cheap. So I've committed to spending money, time and energy, definitely energy in this Vlogmas, but overall in my YouTube channel, money, time and energy. And so I would really like to be consistent and to start creating a serious strategy, because I really love this. I would love this to become my job. Maybe not my full-time job, but I would just like to have a community. It's not even about the money. Like, I don't want it to become my job as in like be my main source of income, but as in I want to have enough of a following to do this as a job if I wanted to, because I just like that interaction with people. I love responding to comments, I love getting notifications, like I really like this. And I'm talking a lot today, am I? Aren't I? Just get a bowl. I'll wash this potato and I'll be right back. I'm gonna cut the potatoes in small bite-sized pieces. So that's all the potatoes that I have, and I'm just gonna put some olive oil and some of the condiments in it. I'm really sorry for these kinds of vlogs. I know they are not the most exciting to watch, but they are very true, very honest, very raw, really, because as you can see, I don't have any kind of makeup on my face. I mean, I've had some things on the eyes and I have my eyebrows done as well, but that's only because I've had them done at work. Like, I don't want to reach that stage at work when I go there and like I don't put any effort in, because putting effort in makes me feel really nice in the morning when I do my makeup, when I choose a nice outfit. It makes me really feel like it's gonna be a nice day. I know that's sort of not related at all, but it just helps me mentally. So I've got my potatoes in here. I'm just gonna put them in the oven. To be honest, I don't know for how long. I think around 30 minutes. And like in 10 minutes or so, I'll put the broccoli as well. And with the broccoli, I'm not really doing that much. I'm just putting a little bit of oil on it. And then some garlic powder or garlic salt. And that's it, really. That's the whole meal. Just gonna pop them in the oven. They're gonna be there for around 30 minutes now. For the broccoli, I'm just putting them in the bowl. And I could cut it up, but I'm not gonna bother. I'm just gonna put it as a whole, and then whenever it's cooked, I'll cut it afterwards. And they will go in the oven in like 7 or 8 minutes, because the potatoes take a little bit more to cook, so that's why I'm just gonna put them first, and then I'm gonna wait a bit. While that is cooking in the oven, I'm actually gonna go and wrap some presents, because I've bought presents for all the people that are coming over for Christmas, and they're all almost here. So I'm just gonna wrap them really quickly. I can't show you this because they might be watching, so I don't want to risk it. So I'm just gonna go and do that, and then I'll wait for the food. So in the meantime, it's all ready. And now we're gonna eat. Everything's nice, soft and done. And I'm starving. I removed my makeup in the meantime. I'm good, thank you.
Oh, yeah.
All ready. And now we're gonna eat. Everything's nice, soft and done. And I'm starving. I removed my makeup in the meantime. I'm good, thank you.
Oh, yeah.
So that will be it for today. Again, a very boring, lazy vlog. And I can't wait to go to sleep. And I'm really proud of myself that I actually got the time and the energy to film this today. So I'll see you tomorrow. I promised that in the next few vlogs, because we only have a few vlogs left until Christmas, and I promised that they will be a little bit more entertaining. And that was it. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.